Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering SmartSheet functions and boosting your productivity. SmartSheet is a powerful tool for managing data and offers robust project management features, real-time collaboration, and workflow automation, making it suited for managing tasks and projects across teams. The Workday function in SmartSheet calculates a date that is a specified number of working days before or after a start date. The basic syntax for the Workday function is as follows. Start date, the initial date from which the calculation begins. Days, the number of working days to add, positive number, or subtract, negative number, from the start date. Holidays, an optional range of dates that should be excluded from the working days count, such as company holidays. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine you need to calculate a date that is 10 working days after August 1st, 2024. Enter the start date of August 1st, 2024 in a cell. Use the Workday formula to find the date 10 working days after the start date. This formula will return August 15th, 2024, which excludes weekends. Now, let's assume there's a holiday on August 5th, 2024, which should be excluded from the calculation. List the holiday in a cell. Update the Workday formula to account for the holiday. The function will now return August 16th, 2024, as it skips weekends and the specified holiday. If there are multiple holidays, you can list them in a range. For example, if there are holidays on August 5th and August 12th, 2024, enter the holidays in a range. Modify the Workday function to exclude these holidays. The function will return August 19th, 2024, skipping weekends and both holidays. Practical applications of the Workday function include: the Workday function is particularly valuable in scenarios like project management, where precise date calculations are essential. Here are a few examples of its practical applications. Project management. Use the Workday function to set project milestones or deadlines that account for non-working days. Payroll. Calculate pay dates or other financial deadlines while excluding holidays and weekends. Scheduling. Ensure that your schedules and timelines are accurate by automatically adjusting for non-working days. And there you have it. By mastering the Workday function in SmartSheet, you'll be able to streamline your workflows and ensure that your date calculations are accurate and reliable. Whether you're managing projects, schedules, or deadlines, the Workday function is an essential tool that can save you time and help you avoid errors. We hope this tutorial helps you master date formulas in Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.